Wow, somebody looks hungry. Oh, hey, don't mind us. We're just chewing some things over ourselves, like percentage. Percentage is a way to represent a proportion of a shape or a number, or even a dinosaur. Whoa, that's a lot of dinosaur. Percent means out of 100. Think of any measurement or object split into 100 equal bits. Each bit is 1% of the whole thing. We can use this idea to work out the proportions of this dinosaur's body. The dino's head makes up 5% of the length of its body, his neck is 25%, and his tail is 30%. That's 60% so far, leaving 40% for its giant tummy. Oh, sorry, not so giant tummy.
Hello, Snoot. Hello, Finn. Hello, Cousin Plimble.
Plimble.
What are you up to? Mixing up some nitroplasm for your flying saucer. It looks like powerful stuff. How much nitroplasm do you have? I see. Your drum of nitroplasm holds 100 blompules, and the fuel tank on your flying saucer holds 10 blompules. So how much of the drum do you need to use to fill up the tank? That's right, Snoot. 10%. 10 out of 100 is exactly 10% of the drum. What's that, Finn? Oh, I see. There's a rule that goes up the side of the drum that marks the amount in tenths. 10 is exactly 1/10 of 100, so you'll need to use 1/10 of the drum.
Plimble.
Have you got another idea, Plimble? Ah, your laser tape measure says you need to use exactly 0.1 of the drum to fill your tank. Well, if that's what the tape measure says. Okay, no need to argue. You're all right. 10 out of 100 can be described as 10% as a percentage, 1/10 as a fraction, and as 0.1 as a decimal fraction. They all mean exactly the same thing. Okay, let's add the nitroplasm. Just one thing. Does your flying saucer actually take nitroplasm? Ah, I guess that's a no.
Okay, to make a green dinosaur, we use a ratio of 3 to 7. That's 3 yellow dinosaurs for every 7 blue. Smashing. To help think about this as a fraction, we need to take a look at them all together. There's 10 dinosaurs and 3 of them are yellow, so you can say that 3 out of 10 are yellow, and 7 out of 10 are blue. When we say percent, we mean what share or what part of 100 that is. Nimble little guys, aren't they? Using the scale, you can see that the 3 yellow dinosaurs at the bottom make up 30%. And you can work out the remaining percent of blue by subtracting 30 from 100, 70%. Now let's mix them all together to make a big one. Wait for it. Watch out, he's a bit bitey. A ratio tells you how much of one thing there is compared to another. To make a purple dinosaur, we use a ratio of 2 to 3. That's 2 blue dinosaurs for every 3 red dinosaurs. Hey, we need that. And what if we want to make an even bigger purple dinosaur and use 8 blue dinosaurs instead of 2? How many red dinosaurs will we need then? So 8 is 2 times 4. And to keep the same ratio, we can multiply the 3 red by 4 as well, which makes 12. 8 to 12 is the same ratio as 2 to 3, but it's much bigger. 4 times bigger. Uh-oh, time to go.